Hi everyone, welcome to Adharshila coding classes. Today, we will create a simple tic-tac-toe game using Python and OpenCV. We'll walk through the code and see the game in action. First, let's look at the libraries we are using. We are importing CV2 for OpenCV and NumPy for handling arrays. Next, we initialize our game variables. We create a 3x3 board, set the initial turn to X, and set up a game over flag and status message. Now let's define the functions we'll need. The check game status function checks if there's a win or a draw. It updates the game status and switches turns accordingly. The turn switch function. This function alternates the turn between X and O. Draw board function. It is responsible for drawing the game board and current status text. The mouse callback function handles mouse click events, updating the board based on where the user clicks. The reset game function resets our game variables so we can start a new game. Finally, we have our main game board. This loop runs continuously, drawing the game board and checking for key presses to reset or exit the game. Let's run the code and see how it works. And that's it. We have built a simple tic-tac-toe game in Python using OpenCV. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.